Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video I am going to explain about ACB circuit breaker protection settings like overload, short circuit, instantaneous and earth fault settings. How to do this setting value we will see in this video. If you are visiting my channel first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Then you will never miss our updates. Let's go to the video. Air circuit breaker or ACB, there are four important protection settings are there. First it is overload current protection and short circuit current protection and earth fault and finally instantaneous fault. You can see this picture. This is the micrological setting in ACB. The first it's available long time for the overload protection. It is given in IR, and second short time protection, that is for the short circuit current, it is given in IST, and third earth fault, it is normally given IG, and finally instantaneous fault, it will be given in II. Now we will see one by one how to setting that value in ACBs. First, overload current setting. For overload current settings, we need to understand two terms. One is IN, another one is IR. IN means it is the nominal current or maximum current rating allowed by the circuit breaker. That is the IN. Next IR. IR, it is the rated current. Rated current means that is the value we need for our load. That is the rated current. You see this example. Suppose we have the ACB, the IN rated current, it will be 2500 ampere. But our required load only 2000 ampere. So we need this 2000 ampere means that is the IR rated current, and 2500 ampere, that is the IN, that is the nominal current. We know normally the ACB nominal current available from 800 ampere to 10,000 ampere. So in between whatever we need, we can pick that circuit breaker. Now we will see, we bought the circuit breaker 2500 ampere nominal current, but our load only 2000 ampere. How we can set this value? It will help for this IR. We can see IR equal to IN into setting value from 0.4 to 1. You can see this picture, this long time they are given the values like 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.95, 98 and 1. So in between 0.4 to 1, the formula is rated current IR equal to IN into 0.4 to 1, you can put it. So our load only 2000 ampere, that's why IR equal to 2500 into 0.8. If you multiply this value, you can get it. IR value, it will be 2000 amperes. Very simple. For that, if you can put any value, suppose it will be 2200 ampere means you can adjust to 0.95 like that. Next, overload current time settings. First we see that overload current, whenever the breaker reach 2000 ampere, then after the time delay the breaker will trip. That time delay is setting given by overload current time settings. You can see that is the TRS, that is for the overload tripping after the time delay. So TRS setting value normally given from 0.5 to 24 second. Based on this delay, you can, based on your requirement, you can adjust it. Normally it is TRS value should given in 0.5 second. So whenever the overload current, it's reach the circuit breaker like 2000 ampere, after the 0.5 second the relay breaker it will be trip. Next, short circuit current setting. Short circuit current setting normally given IST equal to short circuit current. See this picture, IST values given 0.5 to 10 times, 0.5 to 2.5, like that up to 10 they are given the ranges. So for our example, IST equal to 1.5 to 10 times, we can choose the value into IR, that is a rated current. So IST equal to 1.5 normally they in industry the peak value is 1.5. So 1.5 into the IR value, that is 2000 ampere. So IST it will be 3000 ampere. It means whenever the circuit breaker reach the current 3000 ampere during the short circuit, the circuit breaker will trip after the time delay. Similarly, short circuit current time delay setting, it will be given in TSD. So TSD values from 0.1 to 0.4 second. So for here the example we consider 0.1 second, TSD equal to 0.1 second. So when our circuit breaker reach 3000 ampere with 0.1 second, then the circuit breaker will trip with a short circuit fault. See this picture, it is given two settings. One is for the on time delay, another one is for the off time delay. Actually this on time delay for the tripping characteristics. Similarly this off time delay 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 value, that is given for alarm. If you want to make the external contact to the other circuit breaker, you can set the value to the off time delay. When the same fault current will reach with the 0.1 second with the off time delay, it will give the external supply, external alarm contact to the other circuit breaker like upstream or downstream. Next is the earth fault current setting. Normally this earth fault current setting it given in IG. You can see this picture. This IG normally instead of giving the numbers, they are giving the letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and J. So the each manufacturer having the same value for the A to Z. See IE equal to earth fault equal to the setting value should value like that 0.4 to 10 only the ranges. In between the values only they given in the value of ABCD. So our formula we are putting the value in A. So A value is a 0.4 into IN. IN it's a nominal current. So 0.4 into 2500. So IE value you will get 1000 amperes. So whenever the earth fault will happen, its current reaches 1000 ampere. After the time delay, the circuit breaker will trip. TG is the time delay for earth fault. Normally it is given in 0.1 second. Similarly 0.1 second the earth fault current is reach 1000 ampere, then the circuit breaker will be trip. Next is instantaneous current setting. Instantaneous current setting given in II. You can see this picture, the ranges given from 2 to 15 into rated current IN. Nominal current IN. So as per our formula, IA equal to the usually we are setting in 2 into IN. IN is the maximum current or nominal current. So the circuit breaker maximum current is 2500 ampere. So instantaneous current IA equal to 5000 amperes. So whenever the fault happen, circuit breaker reach 5000 ampere means the circuit breaker immediately will trip without waiting for any time delay. That is a instantaneous current fault. So I hope now you will understand what are the protection settings in ACB, how to set the values. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment. I will give in the reply. And if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friend circle. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.